Hello, good day. This is a video about how to reset your Windows 10 computer system. This is a Windows 10 computer system, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First, click on the Start menu. Then click on Settings. Then go to Update and Security. Then look on the left hand side where the menu options are here. Click on Recovery. And the menu opens up here. Here are the options. Here's the recovery options. There's the options you can choose from. They have here Reset This PC. And there's the Advanced Startup. For the Reset This PC, which is the option we will be using, you can choose to factory reset the computer system, and you have two options. You can either choose to factory reset the computer system and keep all your files, or you can choose to factory reset the computer system and have Windows remove all your files and delete everything off of the computer system. If you choose the first option, factory reset the computer system and keep all your files, Windows will factory reset computer system like a brand new system, but it will save all your personal files, all your information, all your pictures, all your photos, all your documents, all your videos, and everything that you have saved on the system. It will store all that information and even applications and stuff that you downloaded, and it will reset the system back to a brand new working computer system like a brand new Windows, but it'll keep all the other setups such as your profiles and your user accounts and such that you have on your Windows computer system. If you pick the second option, factory reset it but delete all the files, Windows will factory reset the computer system, but it will delete all the files off the computer system. It will delete all your videos, all your movies, all your pictures, all your downloads, all your documents, PDFs, anything that you have downloaded. Delete everything and it'll erase everything off the computer system and reinstall Windows like it is a brand new computer system, and have your Windows operating system restored to you as a brand new working Windows computer system. So you're going to click on the Get Started. And here are the options. If you click on the Get Started from Reset This PC, here are the options. You have choose an option. Keep my files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And the other option is remove everything. Removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So if you pick the first option, keep my files, it remove all the apps and settings but it keep all your personal files. That'll be anything you downloaded, videos, pictures, PDFs, documents, Word, processing applications, downloads, anything that you have on the system will store that, but remove all the other settings and things on the system and have Windows restored to like a brand new PC or a brand new system, but it will save all your personal files and all your personal documents. And if you click on the second option, remove everything, that'll delete everything off the computer system, all your user profiles, all your user documents, all your personal systems and stuff. It'll delete everything and restore Windows to you like a brand new computer system, fresh out of the box. Like if you know, as if you just had a brand new computer system, now setting it up for the first time to use it. And when you're restoring the system, it'll take a couple of hours for the process to be completed. Maybe about 4 hours or so, or maybe it'll take a couple of hours. It'll take a number of hours for the process to be completed. When it's done, it'll restore the Windows system like a brand new system now being used for the first time, and you'd have to enter information such as your Windows Outlook information or your Windows Outlook email address, and so that you can set up the computer system so that you'll be able to use it. So these are the options you can choose if you are planning, or if you would like to reset your Windows system, or you want, or you have a need to reset your Windows system. And this is how it's done. I hope this video was useful to you. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.